Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly what olive marker means, model, SKU, color code, and brand. Grab a smartphone or laptop and set your location or ZIP code so searches return nearby stock. Once done, run targeted web queries combining brand, model, and in stock or near me. Check results quickly for store inventory badges and timestamps. If nothing appears, make a short list of 3 preferred sellers to check next. This keeps you focused and saves time. Next, search both retailer sites and marketplace listings. Use filters for location, seller rating, and shipping speed to narrow choices. Visit craft shops, stationery chains, and specialty online sellers because niche markers often hide there. Once you find likely listings, open live chat or call the store to confirm stock and reserve the item. This prevents losing it to other buyers. If a listing lacks inventory data, request the SKU from the seller and ask them to confirm availability. This clarifies uncertainties and speeds the process. Finally, secure the olive marker by choosing the fastest reliable option, same-day pickup or expedited shipping. Make the purchase and save the receipt or reserve it at the counter. If you encounter sold-out notices, set inventory alerts, ask stores about transfers from nearby branches, or check customer returns. Once you have the marker, test it on scrap paper to verify tip condition and true color. If performance or color is wrong, use the saved return policy to exchange or refund.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.